Hey guys, my name is Cole Philpott. I go to the EKU Corbin campus. I'm a fifth year senior. I plan on teaching fourth grade. I like to teach science or ELA, but any subject would do. Um, I want to be a teacher because I want to help prepare students for life. And I think we need more teachers that care about the students instead of focusing so much on content only. And I want to be one of those teachers that makes a student actually look forward to coming to class. Okay, so to my survey. Alright, I want to start out with this one because I thought it was kind of funny. What are some examples of good grammar and bad grammar? Good grammar is something like, I don't want any gravy on my mashed potatoes. Bad grammar would be, I don't want no gravy on my mashed potatoes. You actually probably hear that a lot in the state of Kentucky. But, okay, to the next question. What do I already know about teaching grammar? It can be tricky, but it's important to teach, especially early on, so that they really get prepared for higher level classes and as they go throughout school. And the more they know, the sooner they know, the sooner they actually know it, they'll be less likely to make mistakes later on, and classes will be easier. But I actually acquired this knowledge through my observation hours at EKU because I've been in a lot of ELA classes. I do think grammar should be taught in school because people need to understand the correct way to talk and write things. It's okay to not use correct grammar in some cases, and a lot of times in Kentucky, especially down south, we tend to not be grammatically correct. I know I'm not all the time, but I do think it's very important that we teach it and that people actually know the correct way. So, but that's it, and thank you guys, and I look forward to having class with you. Thanks.